Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 575 of the Crypto Corner podcast. News today, the Nine has signed a $4 million term sheet with Skychain Technologies. BIGG.C Netcoins has recorded a daily trading record. BIGG has partnered with Brain Capital, and ARK investment funds have purchased more Coinbase shares. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast and the Cannabis podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. So the Nine Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol NCTY, has signed a legally binding term sheet on a $4 million Canadian investment in Skychain Technologies Inc., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol SCT. Now, the aim of this investment is for the construction and operation of a 12-megawatt cryptocurrency mining facility in Manitoba, Canada, where the Nine plans to deploy its cryptocurrency mining machines in this mining facility upon completion of its construction. Bill Zhang, that's Skychain's president and CEO, commented, quote, "The Nine is an industry leader in crypto mining services. We look forward to working with them as a strategic partner, providing the Bertle project," that's the project in Manitoba, "with a long-term, high-performing, and reliable mining operation." End quote. Netcoins, the online cryptocurrency brokerage subsidiary of BIGG Digital Assets Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol BIGG, has announced a new record for April 20th, on which date it processed over $23 million in digital asset trades. Netcoins president Mitchell Demeter said, quote, "Netcoins' monthly trading volumes continue to rise as new customers join the platform from across Canada seeking exposure to digital assets. We are also seeing an increase in institutional investors signing up for Netcoins, further helping our volume growth. We are actually growing the overall crypto market in Canada daily, as most customers are still new to digital asset trading, and Netcoins is helping them get started." End quote. Blockchain Intelligence Group, or BIG, also owned by BIGG Digital Assets, has partnered with Canadian fintech firm Brain Capital. The partnership will see BIG's compliance suite platform enhance compliance capabilities for financial institutions and law enforcement customers, bringing real-time transaction monitoring and high-risk transactions under one roof. That's according to the press release. Finally, ARK investment management funds, including ARK Innovation ETF and ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, the former trading on the NYSEArca under the ticker symbol ARKK, and the latter on the NYSEArca as ARKW, have continued to purchase shares of Coinbase, according to a report from CoinDesk. Coinbase, of course, trades on the Nasdaq as COIN, or Coin. Specifically, 195,108 shares were bought by the former and 52,609 by the latter. This makes for a total of 1,571,456 shares of Coinbase have now been purchased by the ARK funds. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Play Music, and most audio platforms available.